a video trending on social media about my wife, about my wedding, our wedding, not my wedding anymore. Before it was my wedding, or say my, whatever I'm using today, I use our, my family. So that picture was trending. I am the husband, so the woman, her picture is trending, which is my wife. You know, to be frankly speaking with you, before I will say whatever I want to say, actually, your apology to the Catholic Communion, our Lady of Wisdom at God Palace, and a lot of pictures have been trending online. So I want to use the opportunity to tell you guys, please, wait another, I want to wait another 100% accurate. You understand? And also, I've been focusing on some pictures where Reverend Father now pointing towards my wife, this and that. You know, a blogger can do everything to gain popularity and get fame. That is by the way, but me and my wife, I would have been here with my wife to just say this. My that picture, they very wrong to Catholic Communion. Please, you guys should forgive us. That day, that day, you know, I said I was going to Yahoo, and only there's nothing I can do about that clothes. I was not even there. My wife was even shouting, you know, though the cloth was very awesome. The vest, I was to wear quite a thing, which is white. It was to wear white. We wear Koraim, whereas here that vest, yeah, human vest. In a night, this is transparent. So that kind of thing, Nima Church, or this is not able to you know, I wedded in Catholic. I remain in Catholic. Please, I try to hear for whoever that is trending, making that video in a negative aspect. Please forgive us. That they catch trap. So I treat the apples what I did then that's by the way. Then another one again. All those bloggers, neighbor, video mother, picture mother. The Reverend Father was actually looking at them. Eyeball to know whether we are following. Somebody just screenshot or mark here there and your Reverend Father. Mark he didn't know around them. No, now. Reverend Father was not looking at the breast of my wife. He was looking straight to the eyes of my woman. Come on the follow, because I have to look to the person in the on your follow. You guys will tell the guru, may you have a research more, Maratazo, no, other. And it's not I don't want money as someone's wife. I over my wedding can't get the video. Thank you very much. Thank you, and Cabo, Comodezo Kuba coming me down not to, you know, to make a very big move. I'm my best man. I'm going to organize the government and I forgive you. Monday in the feel number here, Joy. It's a kind of apology. Oh, fun as why is it with Jpac anywhere believing than that? Anywhere believing can face somebody to America, can face somebody to that kingdom come. That can, you know, I respect him so much. Away from Port Harcourt down to this very place, everything. I don't even want to show his face. No, I'm my best man. I was even trying to go soon. I'm my best man, boy. And that day, I almost shut off, you know.
So thank you. To the Catholic communion, please, we plead with you. This is not in our normal way. People expected us to start maybe backing on voice. There is no need for that. We look into things and consider it. When there are errors and things to amend, we try and amend that. The best people to advise that day, we should have been before we left for church. They should have said this thing is not right, but you can imagine the pressure. So we still came up to manage it. And I don't blame any other person. It was the cameraman, because even if we ask her to go, we are about
that. The cameraman, the lost.
You know, this ex-convict, I'm here. This ex-convict, I'm here. It's here. I have to go Igbo now, somewhere common sense. This man. The guy in my brain. You're blaming cameraman. Okay?
He was like zooming it. Outside that, if you look at that wedding gown, check other pictures, consider other pictures. They were not the same thing. So please, there are protocols that deserve some observation. When it is moment to give glory to God, we give glory to God Almighty, and not coming up to come and bully certain persons or thereabout. There is no need for that. Also, I want to tell you thank you.
The go down know here, the father of bullies is not telling us only a failure. In everything he does is a failure. The father of bullies are not talking about bullying. This man is a failure in everything. When you get mega bull, you lo tiriaka, we failure. The papa of bully. Don't worry, I'm a BMG video of man. Imagine a Jpac, excuse the Jpac, and you're not photo on. It's emergency with the wedding. So wait, though. You want to tell me, just make apology and go inside. Give this rubbish now. In a karagema. You just go inside without all these lies. This crocodile eye. This crocodile lie. Jpac. Only name wedding they will take fair a week or 5 days ahead of wedding. The way of Fuma and Shichaya. How many months did you plan this wedding? Hey man, I don't know the people that listen to this your Kakambu story. The good hear na koiri. Come be your excuse. Before me remember this upon this is tipamo. But I'm not sure question. Very useless set of two. You know these two ikrimi clear. These two actually. Chirana me come be dogodi shine again Jpac na photo no. In a wedding day gara school kon deity. Konde wheelbarrow. Kogene. Instead of you to come out, see, we got it all wrong. We shouldn't have done it. Gebidon. Chori peton. Oh, chori rubbish. In our the reason. Why didn't your wife come out? She could have joined you and come and talk rubbish in our corner. Oh, my wife could have come out. Then what made her not to come out? And I call you. The best thing you should have done as soon as you come out here, she has sorry. That the clothes shouldn't have worn in the first place. That is a mistake. It has been done, that it will not repeat itself again.
Bloggers.
That it will not repeat itself again. That because Nando's all Jizen and Kege Morin, that some things are not meant to. Get bit of rubbish. Get bit of rubbish.
Yes, there is a video trending on social media about my wife, about my wedding, our wedding, not my wedding anymore. Before it was my wedding, or say my, whatever I'm using today, I use our, my family. So, that picture was trending. I am the husband, so the woman, her picture is trending, which is my wife, you know. To be frankly speaking with you, before I will say whatever I want to say, actually, your apology to the Catholic Communion, our Lady of Wisdom at God Palace, and a lot of pictures have been trending online. So I want to use the opportunity to tell you guys, please, when you wait another, I want to wait another 100% accurate. Do you understand? And also, I've been focusing here some pictures where I had a Reverend father now pointing towards my wife, this and that. You know, a blogger can do everything to gain popularity and get fame. That is by the way, boss.
Jpac on a washing. Another Reverend father on Iman again. Because you made it open. You made it open. You made it open, shy lady, man. What do you mean? You will allow me to get a shy lady, man. Oh, where came out of my be a miracle. This rubbish shine a day here. I'm a block go. All this one rubbish scamming step comment a comment what I hear again. I will delete this one, but today again my block again. Get on. Don't write this rubbish with another person's picture. I'm gonna again.
Me and my wife. I would have been here with my wife to just say this. My people know what they were. How many that picture they very wrong to Catholic communion. Please, you guys should forgive us.
You would have been here with your wife to say this. So what stopped you from bringing her? What stopped you from bringing your wife? If I ask you, because someone here again. I will not that. I will always scam now. Miracle is that comment is my block where. Uche, come and eat, my dear. Pardon my manners. Maybe I need Jpac little water. But I'm not gonna read low.
That day, get what it is. That's Akwa.
Jpac one. One. Give me cook like a man. You're talking rubbish. One. You put on a hair making hearing. You put now on a hair making hearing. Now the day of your wedding, okay, with the Akwa. My brother, man, at washing. You don't know how to do damage control. I swear. In my case, I made damage control. Makachinek. Ubrainako. Na the day ke with the language me wedding. Jpac. Now wow. Jpac.
That day,
could you imagine? You me working your wife. That day gave me wedding catch tarapa. That means they don't plan. Thank you. Wedding Jpac has been announcing for almost how many months now? Let me tell you now. Every woman and a age in her walla. Oje present the dag a clear bubu. And then emergency. Hey, one day, Ijo Malekwa Meshishu. And when one neji the dag a clear bubu. Especially wedding day. My own wedding. Even got Akwa a week. Every day, my sorry, and I have mamma get fit in home. Jpac, you a blatant liar. And them man in a clash. Every woman now they so eager to go and fit in our wedding gown. Oh, you're gonna make a okay. Because you have never wore it before. That is your day. Oh, one of the best things that will ever happen to you. So you'll be eager to be wearing it. So you want to tell me that your wife did not check her wedding dress. That means she's not ready to marry. That means you force her to marry you then. That means this marriage is if. Don't worry, I my daughter like the program at the daytime. Because some of the little people are not sleeping. Because in a koiri. In a koiri. And you know it. Now, Toriash. Instead of you to say, we are sorry. We didn't get it all right. We F up. Please, it will not happen again. I apologize. Don't we were sorry. This is not time. If you were me, you were the error. But you know, we should have done better. It will not happen again. Others, please learn from my mistakes. That's it. Kindi na koropwa. Na koro ya dati iti gina ya mana kwa ex-convict. Gele chonyi game best man. Yo keji compensate ya na shire bara. Lekodi call the ubu boroko that day. And they wedding. Deka toron. Don't know desert. Ahun really for 48 days. You na giri Jpac. Irag ma puta. About that national because of woman, it was in my content now. It was in my content. Did I hear say who is the one? The game is saga. Come on, return yours. Game on saga, can you game me? Who will watch you? You want the content? When saga content mona go. Chokone ga do. Cause saga no ma do with the go to ma do yegi for my happy. Tima do yegi. Look at Udla Maga Dogega Balaga. Lie. Jpac Ashi. Deke, ndi Docronado. Udla Maga Degishi. I am wedding. I am done. Cameraman in a Jpac account, a guy, a bending room about more. Onyara. That is she and a gonna saga. A Jpac account, Gagan and Kendi, you know, now about more. This is a pro saga. I like you. Dollars. My goodness, saga. And I call you. I need a cookie for in here.
One hater scatter. You know, I said I was going to Yahoo and the Willie there's no track.
Jpac, the son again. Thank you, Eva Comedy. Hey, Eva, you reminded me him Jeffrey. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna put the video. Let me even pin my sister. Eva, you gonna be available? Chonkamona get on no program, ma. Chonkamona get bury this man. Cause over me, I'm a wedding. In Abama. Jpac cannot just call it here. Yana this is gone. Na kakachana people are there say I can one. Chana ma there. I mean, one gam double. But tomorrow in the morning, I may postpone to my local saga. Just wait again. Na koiri na commission on. Na nonsense. No. You purposely gonna wine again. I be bought on a Catholic church. When I met him, I'm your double blogger, so can here. I'm more happy to do. Now, Mr. Ted Dimpu.
And do about that clothes. I wasn't
Thank you. Thank you, Eva. Eva, my sister, thank you. No, Jpac buru to la motakre. But I'm even video nwa hokoro 3.3 million. But I'm not making more fun. I'm not even know the thing na cost unsubu. I never knew. Video nwa hokoro 3 point something, 3.3, 3.5 na my. Oh my God, and Jpac did not even tell me that Omega problem. Over people in Akuya.
Was not even there. My one was even shouting, you know, though the cloth was very awesome. Oh my the vest Agbasiri wear quite the same, which is white.
That's mine.
White
That's mine.
That's the vest. Human vest. Whoever that is trending, making that video in a negative aspect, please forgive us. That they catch trap.
You won't action. Now I don't know what can get money. I can forgive you because of what that they catch trap. I don't know what get money. I can forgive you because it don't action. What that they catch trap. You lied. That cannot do also. What get you for 3 years? Why are you? And then I get to ask you. You know you lied. It's all action. Yeah, you lied. I only put a wine. And wine more makeup artists. And you I hire was running late and I managed to see the second person. That is believable action. Example. I didn't put an action. We thought makeup artists I have was that do. You disappoint I know. Makeup one. We have to get emergency one. That one is what? Believable action. Jonake, you know you lying. The back. Watch. Joke. Ni ne hu that thing. Hello man, I don't. All that can control me now. Jpac cannot do shit about the girl. On a call match. Didn't make the girl up that join here. Go back to one ashing there. Oh, the Jpac pull out, ni equal the Bama. Access King Sunday. Lebechi. Oh, welcome. Okay, Jpac pull out the girl has no hair gay. As I where she be, where she the naked now. Oh, what talk on about? Only blame the Paris. Even then they blame. Look at Jpac. When I want your joy, little make a gana query. One your joy. You can't even control a woman. You can't even tell her that in her ear bagano look at them. You can't even tell her what to do. What the hell? Give me a wedding. This is just the beginning. I'm gonna get out of he better put on social media and I could again. Even name Ikebro. Eva, I'm a lot about December. I'm inviting you to my husband grandmother. Grandmother, my husband, so I'm inviting you. Oga ube supe. I shall give you to look down. Biagari, I'm inviting you now special. Ewala. First time coming across your page. Oh, welcome. Chide boy. Even young baragi, I'm inviting you now. And one invitation mo can go. You want to go? Okay. Yeah, wumbido. Akwa, bala to takwara ego. I can see Jpac shota jewaka anefe ego. Obioma ni me ana takashiada. Ana ma bera that part. The date of the burial. Baby na Nigeria back. But on January. Okay, you are doing well. My first time. Ooh. Go, my first time. Ezugo. Na idemini. You're welcome. Ezugo idemini. You're welcome. So I'm inviting you, Ezugo. I'm inviting you, my access back of John again. Access King. I'm inviting you. Una bakola ka bia o. Odogu kangu. Ana ko eli ne George of Nigeria. So no just come. Dodogu. Firstly, I'm also inviting you. Bruno to Lukuna. Dodogu. Actually, me a public, but when in the public, so and so what? When they come on. No. The woman can no. You are always beautiful. Otamji Jonjo. Don't you know that I'm Ototo point? Otamona Evajiri Brulo Court. Yeah, in Imo now. Idiot or not? Idiot or not? Imo States. Idiot or not? Okay, I'm your strong fan. Right on. Okwa kono bara. Keja. Mamuna ndo dogule biba. Ngoko nyem bara. But I have to make it official now. So, because more himself can be a book on Nama. Because I'm Nando Doguga, I me book two Namas. No me book two Namas. Because I officially invited Mwagwata today. So officially, Akwa don't need to invite her. I call that day, Mashangwa, let's go. Ime pem. Ime pem. Biko book by Ocean agent ne batolo money. Come on, honey. You are that day I want to be mad. Don't worry, security won't touch. Imagine one of the son of George in Nigeria by me. You know, very mad. Bam. Iga home na Nigeria. Oh, nyike. Kema declare wanted na Nigeria. So ejirila una bande ndi tapok. Dia ejirila that day. Unyo ule phone ya bara social media. Shamu no gauge. Henry, he draw again, my block again. Did you hear what I said? If he asked rubbish question, block again. So Eva, Brundan Taraji Gebiawa. I told him Papa no na get put to look what they are 22 times that to look times 7. And then they Papa be how club broke people. I come make broke people fights. What I go? Mputabi Igbo. Oh, you can give me my boss's invite. Anyway, I'll be me na my video tomorrow corner here I come. Well, I get also when became invited no Zaga Maba because I don't want to invite a lot of people, I beg. Because Saga she's Ogechi, what is going on? Can't be me fair. When we can invite now. Everywhere she I say, oh, get it the because my people invite people. They were going to make it as all get it. What is going on? No, get it. Me and Jpac will be there alive. Yabia one, Yabia, why would I go and in at that? Yabia, I told him, call Baraka there without for those shins or there. Me. I would go in a free area because all that reason we're gonna wait in here. Chineka boy, he was, if he's coming, one year get paid, the 1 year share, like 1 year can I got in here. Gosh, 1 year, this woman has made me not to sleep. You put in 1 year, come. And Jpac, what I 1 year, I want not to wear this, trust me. You say after is will come and no see after. But all ballet para all ballet at least all ballet open it through no wait. Onyema how many apple baby become because purpose Jpac Jpac is broke. Jpac need money. So Jpac need money. When I buy Jpac got money. Within 1 naira gave me see that place. I know see governors. I say governors Gabia. Jpac. Make una leave me because Mbai get me hospital ani. Kono ga man here people you gonna say oge balitere. The day I go open that hospital. Can you go di? The day I get me official. Mandi room ga no chandia. Chineka walk. My love, how are you? No saga. Onyem. I na go da akoko Jpac. Can I no go di on tell you on here. All one Oje joke.
So I tell the apples, what I didn't get then that's by the way. Then another one again. All those bloggers in the video married, picture married. The Reverend Father was actually looking at them. Eyeball to know.
You a liar. Go and give face this place. When you get face here. Are you looking at the Reverend Father Manibanya Agada? Didn't you face your wife like this? Your wife a face here again. So Anya Genodas, how are you sure what the Reverend Father is looking at? You will learn Biasa la Reverend Father. Genayo, I'm sure the woman not to wear that. But Organa not again to because you're not man enough to control her. You what ala? Aye, I shall wash no. I shall no be talk. Akona wako. Ema ihe na eyi ga akpote. Ema ko shabota agbo igwo na echicha mara ga akpo. So no tell me say Reverend Father was directly looking inside and le anya kegi no. Anari biji mana hi Reverend Father lega. Anari biji mana hi Reverend Father lega Jpac. You was busy facing your wife. Yeah, because this picture, I saw you looking at your wife, not to the Reverend Father. So, how did you know your Reverend Father Nelly? That Reverend Father na amwe kwegala the man kubuya. Unu jere no, wanyi ge parala agba shawoya. You want to go? So, paragba Jema church, Ejana church abodo. Ijana church abodo. Ndeshi mugechi meshono. Ijana church abodo. Ajuga muge. Owane gi. Owune yazu. Owazu yazu. That church is a holy thou place. Owazu yazu. Owazu wane yazu. Yamana clothes. Even if you approve this. Okashino. Our son one guys. Even the most here of again, then could be barage. I know you have said your own part, but she refused because I put on now shower day for high. And you know it. But it's quite unfortunate. Ni brula he kagene. One give about like I should know knowing fully well that she doesn't work. I couldn't no ginishi. Make use of this money. I need longer hair. I need a Mercedes. I need go and invest this money. Money be content creators are not chapalo ye mwebe ke no. Many pack advice. Ejipale eje bidoyo. Jpac gana business. When the profits come out, get Jpac gana the house ye na no. Pala this idiot. Mam ne did the car. Mpamu ne did the car because umunne urelanya chega ni gango ne iwe halake. The next thing in Mamu did the car, Mamu drew ya need to be renovated before you know it. Then we nigga got advice because they want them working. Ashi buo mi we elie mi ish. So my advice njawagi magara. Una wani loro wo kwelu. Owu ko doji akowo ri jako. And you know that I'm saying the truth. No matter how you try to cover, you know that I'm saying the truth. That tell Dora Jambude. You know I'm saying the truth. Look at. You shouldn't even. Get him what I have been explaining. Your G. Well, I know you have been explain. About the passion, emergency clothes. A married woman, a checky her fair. A week, 2 weeks, we don't wear the moyo. Or let's even say a day before the wedding. You're just noticing it now. A shower day, 2 or 4 na eye. Whether
we are following. Somebody just screenshot or mark there and Reverend Father. Mark he didn't know him.
Because when you will allow public, your Anna was a public Anna. It was Anna Lerema. Your wife brought Anna for people to be looking. A reposit or Shamapama, a screenshot. Oh, I want to give me the show your Lerema. Public man go la and do the world she remano. Takana about pom. Look at me. Kakana about pom. Look at me, I'm beautiful. Ashin drama community Christ Anna Baharale. This is an intentional scene. Anna it's one Bahara. Ashin drama chapurume. And I have Bahara Njogana Imachaprume. So we will not forgive you. We will drag you. That drag.
No, now. Remember, I was not looking at the breast of my wife. He was looking straight to the eyes of my woman. Come on the phone, because I have to look to the person in the
My video is what? Until your video is blue. I don't understand. My video is what? What happened? My video is what? Because my video is again. What am I commenting? my video again, because it's clear now. Oh, it was blurry. Is that what you want to say? Okay, make me continue.
Onyo fologa. You guys will tell the guru. May you have a memory that's more than man does your rinoka. Other ma.
Jpac. It can not read in a Catholic church. Jpac can not read. Jpac can not read in a Catholic church. Oh, it's clear now. Okay, I don't know what happened. Sorry, oh. Sorry, I'm not coming here. No. Jpac can not read in a local. When you call it can not need stop, get bound again. Because maybe Akwa in life, a mommy won your church, a mommy won your dibia. But she ain't no lady. It was she na Sarala, oh yes, member naga.
And it's not, I don't want your money as someone's wife.
The good one I own. It's not get back on the sense because Nelly Ziranya Arauno Buputerani Shine Lerema that is meant for the public to look. Don't you know that men now cover in Haneri and is just meant for them? Ilechana no one get dress chan. Get she parana be my church like that. Even if, according to you, let me judge you. Even if no one emergency come you get on. So you cannot call a teller not very close by. A me emergency teller in Chobeja coffee. Ayagudi yage verse again azutaya meyo zubo. Canada Akwa jambele. He would a pin each university ya. Would be just style ya. Jpac. You know when you get your Belgian and didn't ship and do trend the manner. I hope she likes it.
When the Barbara my wedding can't get the video. I can't get those.
Meshiomoge. Abana wedding can get the video. The video many white wedding you but one about the Jamie church. Is it not for traditional? How traditional come on against you here? Nobody give a fuck. You wore it at the wrong premises. I'm call you. Green is no. You're not making fucking sense. On a church, got your mama wedding. You're even talking about Catholic church. Reverend, that priest. This in the question suspension. First thing, because everything on see some Catholics. Dim with Catholic, I'm not a Catholic, I won't assemble. But because of our Lord, I'm not going to make Kedim Naga. A witness see him where I bury my wedding. One, the same thing, even K1 get out of the father can go, she like one. They have to go and make amend. They made the amend of that if I'm way. Okay, please, Spirit of God, Jamie. What kind of because actually again because you made your wife Anna in public. You made it to be a public watch. It's na mizom. Shai lerema. Onega feyelere. Instead of you put me apology straight up, Ghana kowa na choni Jpac style na agbawo. Na koili. The worst no one iti angu the only tea only kind of ex convict. Only iti neti, what do you expect?
Thank you very much. Thank you and Cabo Comodezo Kuwa becoming me that not to make a very big move. And my best man. We're going to organize the government and I forgive Monday in the feel number here, Joy. It's a kind of apology.
Jpac, we are not gonna forgive you. aga m forgive you until ma gbakwacha gị saga niile gbara ntị mmadụ. Nke a forgiveness ndị ala chọrọ ị na-elere ara nwaanyị. Ejila ma ara nwaanyị, so the thing no dey entice me. Na forgiveness na forgiveness ndị gị na ha na ndị na-achọ ịhụ mbụ more of your ara nwaanyị. It's not me. Okay, said the man is almost forgive and forget again.
Why is it when you get back anywhere believers and that? Anywhere believer can face somebody to America, can face somebody to that kingdom come.
You can face somebody to America, you are referring to me. You get face Panamania by force. You have to face me because I don't know why you're not facing me. You got to face me. Yeah. You get face me. You cannot face them. You can face somebody to America. Whoosh. If you face somebody, I'm a free go. And I got him. Bam. Name bam. You were doing a drone at the Waranga. You comment that I go, yes, that I go. But I mean, you got advice as a brother. As a brother, if I should come what I can get Jackie by that cheer. As a brother, when I want yellow. Don't allow her to crib. I pray that when you pass it because I'm a lay as a mumu when no get brain. I did look at my mumu. Oga wagi one no okay. When I want to end the tally gonna wedding. Watch and see. Go and pack my words. Cause family look at them my chocolate kehage jelly. Because so what dog I get pam now dog. Now here no. Because when they work when your name, I gave me pay here. Oshna hire 5 million. Gaily had to target away by 200 million naira. Get 5 million is nothing. Mommy in a joke because he gave me upon where the total amount because he with she's controlling you. Yeah, what is mommy in the Panamoto? This motor we go to okay as many and 10 million. Over 10 million, 50 million up. Actually, daddy, the meeting ni no jiba no bo. Imaga beranu yambaru na village. I need dreamenka oni degole about 3 million. Pam genye. Gabata ishi Ogechi one name the junior one. Imano tele orzo chamaya. Onwe go je mepe ya. Ige duga family before you know it's 10 million afulakinaka. Okay, 10 million of front come on. My channel business but later found out that it doesn't work. What will happen now is I can with 5 million me pay the business get to the own business because all wheat here about shake yeah 2 million yeah calculate no 1 million go here. It's your ball. The lady Nelly, I must show you. Yama, I'm a member. Hello. Hey, Maka. Thank you. Obula. Nothing. Nelly, a man of emptiness. Nothing. I'm a member. Okay, now. Okay. Daddy. Obula. Who is this one? Oh my god, if I Chere, what the fuck is this? Chere, onye wonya. Data no hebere jomo. Oya wonya. Okay. You can let me penyogi Henry Amos. Oya. Amokos. Oya. Zero. This place is not for you. Get it. Chan. Mommy, daddy. Kevrana get the hey, baby, you know. Jpac. I am advising you. Don't again. If you don't make use of it, you make use of you. Someone I'm showing little wheat. He little witty. I block me if I don't reply that idiot. I
you know, I respect him too much. If you're away from Port Harcourt down to this very place, everything. I don't even want to show his face. No, I'm my best man. I was even trying to go soon.
As God, you would I can't even when also now when fit here. Despite that, only statue age fashion, but she is so that Ahoya is not matching anything. She is unmatchable of anything. I keep here, you here like that wickedness and I know. The good hit or Broko. Have a go Broko Shiri next week. Or Yalaba. Very caricious human being.
Then my best man, boy, and then they will have I on shut off, you know.
So thank you. To the Catholic communion, please, we plead with you. This is not in our normal way. People expected us to start maybe.
Shut the fuck up. Me show no nye again. Notice me, empty brain. Who called you? In a normal way. And when a way he came away before. When a way give away before. And when a way give away before. But way give when a way of funk OJ ex-convict, I thought you said we will get justice for that guy, but I could owed me 15 million. I will get justice. Alpha, when I'm going to pass it, you're just a mouth because you want to make like you belong. And I'm coming back to Nigeria. Question Ogechi, I'm coming. Oh, if you know do I'm return. I'm coming. Oh, I am coming. If you don't mean that you're back, but I don't Nigeria. Hinga dog. I can make. Oh yeah. I come on Nigeria now. Pioneer. I put you in the war. Allah. Magata, we gonna get the 10 million. When get past idiot umbere. Kashielu da lanya when you try to win. We have achieved. Shisha, you cannot achieve. I will because you said you're going to court when you lost the election. Have you been to the court? You said you're going to court and we cannot agree. You will say, Bia, I'm reminding you. Have you been to court? Usu? Have you been to court? Mom, nahe, we are believe face mega Cambridge to please you. Forgive me. Kokoshikano yanobi. Oshianobi. Agba. Bang. Abalange Jpac wonya number wonyi Imo State. Ona Oriana ha da koronu. Jpac just doing everything ko gbe chapụ n'aka gị. Jpac my brother he share na hope. Hey saga lawyer chamber. Share na hope. She na who my brother po amam sha pare Korea but na do ya ke ya amana so nwannem ama dog den ya ba nne na nna yuru.
Backing on past voice. There is no need for that. We look into things and consider it. When there are errors and
Shut up. All the fuck up you've been fucking up. Which one did you look into before you come out to open your gutter mouth to talk rubbish? The things you've been fucking up on social media, which one did you look into? Sorry if I may say. Bia non-sompa is still in detention. Have you go and bail him? Are you not the one that's sharing his video, supporting him? Have you been to court as what they call it? The neighbor talking touch, yeah. You can anywhere you belong. You don't belong anywhere. And you can never belong anywhere. You can't belong anywhere. And you never belong anywhere. Iti. They were walking, talking. Oh yeah, talking, walking, or talking, walking. I'm not boy. I will do this. But all I mean, he promised in the social media you have ever achieved. One year in Chicago. Idiot. Failure like you. Who has everything? You continue to use fake accounts to go to those local people and when they don't know that. Bad aggregate to go. Sagi Unegi. Walking, talking. Thank you. We're talking. You better not wedding. We're talking like it. On your maggie. You don't want any kobo. Nobody give a fuck about you. It's talking noise everywhere.
To amend, we'll try and amend that. The best people to advise that day, we should have been before we left for church. They should have said this.
You won't parigon with you best man. Must someone advise you before you know that is an eyesore? That thing that Jpac wife wore. Are you waiting for somebody to advise you before your initial initiative or your thinking about that this is not the right place to put on this outrageous, barbaric, unwanted, uncultured clothes? Your eye will tell you because how she gonna shower barato? How she jana hufe wani? Makeri ogologo, makeri mpompo, and these are like in the pan open and the potula. Must someone tell all of you that thing is unacceptable? So you did not, your best man, you did not see the wife when she walked out to tell Baba Jpac, this is what I saw. This shouldn't have taken place. This is wrong. Best man, we do long way do Jpac. You do long way do Jpac. And I call you. Tell me. You get to do Jpac. And I come.
It's not right, but you can imagine the pressure.
Look.
So we still came up to manage it. And
which pressure? If I may ask you, which pressure? Pressure na where? That a woman who's supposed to wedding again a day, wedding clothes again a day ready. 2 weeks or a week or 5 days or 3 days ahead of your wedding. Which pressure? So one channel know the damage control unu game. Ya wuru na this rubbish. Even channel know damage control. I game no wa. Ya wuru na this rubbish. Frankie, how are you? You channel know who put this rubbish talk together. Jpac booze up that before God join here. You una go the sense. May simple apology. We are sorry. We got it all wrong. We are not gonna say anything we do. Anything we did of this particular gown is right. Nothing. No excuse whatsoever. Please accept our apology. Just one or two. Bam. On Allah. In the China saga. But you saga in this video. Diplomatic saga kinyene. Now who they fool who? Eh? Now who they fool? Pashe? I hear that Eva. You that is ranting, you are still single. So you supposed to be in the midnight prayer. If I will get married this December, if If I were going to actually iludi. Eva, if Eva is an independent woman, she doesn't. If I actually, and I'm about December, men mounts and on the Diego. Men mounts. Gabe ma big goats. Ya lumage moye bibi magaka. Men mounts. Nde baruru. O one day shikote pon deki Jpac de chengo wedding before her ball garage. Go wedding a bala my brother garage. You know every African mentality is married. No mind them. Bala. But if I need marriage, yeah. Nel, kegi a section, man. They assume everyone must. If I don't worry, men mount. Iga be shari ala motula. Wala. Yeah, been at the place. I am one ever koro. You can't battle this place. Jpac is not like your wedding. Jpac, you go see babes mount. Rent expired, they couldn't pay. Don't worry. Only areas the gonna them. Wait, don't waste money now. Jpac will be a shilla you can. When you're wedding me, you be on a mail and you're wedding a mail. But they bring now, but I'm all wrong. I got full way sense. My Jpac, who would they go before? When I have arrived. They go Jpac and the wedding now for about 200 million. Jpac in them that are for about 200 million. Nobody should. Yano matter.
I don't blame any other person. It was the cameraman, because even if we ask her to go, we are back.
The cameraman, the lost. Yes.
Now, body useless. Two of you are very hopeless men. Cameraman, no man, again. You are blaming a cameraman that you gave duty to. Picture your wife. Video face. Wait, I got chat to Oluwan again. Serena and I chat to Aran again. I want to understand the crime cameraman of how cameraman offended both of you. You guys are una body useless. Is sharing na bomb. What Flority excuse? What excuse on that boy? Are you guys really serious? Blaming cameraman? Why give a bad do? No, she camera okay. Video picture the woman because she's beautiful. She's beautiful. A picture here on a wedding. You are blaming cameraman? No. Wedding ya bara mado. I'm not gonna come here to dispute that. No. Wedding me bara urubia. And ada tarayego. Jpac gave buru be 200 and something or 300 million ala there. No cap. No cap. But that is not the bone of contention here. That is not the architect of the whole scenario. What I mean? Good. These two men are bastards. Shari mama. Are you blaming the cameraman? Are you supposed to blame you stupid fools? That's illegal. I show one again. That I show a little boy one. Yeah, man, I owe ye. Excuse me, what do you define as a shower? Can you define it as a show? One is a replicant of Akwa. I'm not an Amazonic here. You presented your wife for Shiabara Punaputa. You both intentionally did that shit because you pull one got hell no. I bet she that hey, I bet that's a show you met on TikTok that was dancing with Nana Pint. Na me you. So no just kara talk me you. And I call you. Now I'm cameraman with that video. The one one. Are you carrying you crazy? That witty abuo. That abuo witty. They lack common sense.
He was like zooming it.
Okay, zoom amuge. Okay, zoom amuga he kene with a patch on that's your rubber pants. Now my hair swords. Or amuge koge zoom. Bomo nyemere we dinana zoom here. Bomo nyemere we dinana zoom picture for the to get the best part of oh no bia. So he wanted the mouth to blame cameraman. It's your campo put the waiting and a zoom. A may like this, a may like this, a may. He will not to blame anybody in your own stupidity. Jpac, do you really? I mean, are you guys really okay? And so the picture your wife to compare how cameraman AJ zoom with a zoom woman lips. So is she a zoom me buya? Which place? A woman a baby alone. Show wale pamo. Ha? What? Excuse me. Which blame are you even blaming cameraman? Nah, these people are it you. Cameraman ga be zoom ima amuga hi kaneri. Nga ko ga zoom here. Cheran map taron no daytime. Uno ko iri bu omu na ko iri. The banda pariabo many mistake na chonya ageboy. Come on, get myself to wholeheartedly that I fucked up. Amamo. Cameraman, are you okay? Are you guys really okay? Hey. People banana. So he may probably be blame cameraman that did his or her job. These people are not okay. Honestly, they're crazy. Because tell me which wedding picture na he zoom. Yes, say ya na say ya fakish no sete ya. Yes, say ya na say ya fakish no sete ya. If not that, I put a tea basara picture now. If not that, I put a tea everybody carry bank away no matter. I should not do okay. Oh, your wife beautiful. Obula, you will not hear this excuse again. You guys, cameraman, you did well. But now, people like start to tell you that, look at what your wife wore to church.
Outside that, if you look at that wedding gown, take other pictures, consider other pictures. They were not the same thing.
What other pictures are you referring to? Check which other pictures. Check which other picture. Look at it. Inferior excuses. You guys are coming here to rub more shame on your faces. Which one Ogena Jpac and that pariabo and other people that waited with you guys. Those two women, did they dress like this Ashawo Jpac? Did they dress like her? I wonder how women should dress when they walk into the premises of God. When you want to come and present yourself in the presence of God. Today, I blame that Catholic church that cajole their church into mockery. This is nonsense. Paris many rubbish. I blame you because you want to visualize her. Someone in a head on our back in a break. How can a priest made himself this vulnerable to this kind of rubbish? Priest actually walk you out. Those two women that waited the same day, you can actually look as people that came for marriage indeed. Make una know the talk rubbish show.